You know what I'm saying?
I'm a young nigga that can tell them no, I don't give a fuck about shit. Tryna fight when you see around me, niggas better watch they.
I ain't gonna lie, off rip. Today was a good morning. God woke me up at 4 o'clock to 8 point something. You know today's a good day. I was finna put my Cardis on because I'm feeling like money, but you know what I'm saying? I just got my NBA, you know what I'm saying? Because if y'all don't know, I be hooping too. Today is good. Off rip, hit that like button because look, just like how y'all are traders learning to do what I do, when y'all hit that like button, it refers my video to other traders. If he can't break bread, he fake, you feel me? So let's just get straight into the video. Let me check my phone real quick. I forgot how much it was. It was like 8 point something. It's 8.4. Talk to me nicely, hold on. Let me get my screenshot. Click. Y'all see the type of time we on, man, you feel me? So without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all the setup and how I got in the setup, why I got in the setup as I usually do. So I'm saying, before we get into the video, nigga, I get thousands of views, so I need thousands of more subscribers. So if y'all watching, y'all fuck with my content, hit the subscribe button, bro. It literally take 1 second. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and you know what I'm saying? I got in EURUSD, so I still should have this shit pulled up. So you know what I'm saying? So let's zoom this shit all the way to fuck in, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, look what it did. This is why I got out. This is why I got out. I took my money and I got the fuck out, you feel me? Look at the wick, bro. On the daily, this right here is considered a reversal candle. This right here is called a hammer, you know what I'm saying? Bro, so look, so I'm gonna show y'all the Fibonacci setup on the 4 hour. So so look, y'all, as y'all can see, beautiful ass Fibonacci setup. Look, it made an inverse hammer off the fucking 38. Beautiful. You know what I'm saying? So that right there was a perfect sign to get in, my nigga. It's time to get this bag. If you didn't get in off of that right there, inverse hammer off the 38, and you know what a Fibonacci is, and you know your market structure, bro, this is clear as day, bro. Look, you could have even drew a trend line off of the Fibonacci retracement. Like, it's that easy. It's just textbook. Look. It's literally respecting, hey, I ain't gonna lie, I might, bro, hold on. I might get back in, hold on, this shit look kind of sexy. So look, you see the inverse hammer, and then right there, that's clear as day, bearish engulfing candle, bro. That's 2 indicators. So even if you missed that, reversal candle, you still had the bearish engulfing right behind that candle. So you know what I'm saying? It's clear as day, bro, nigga. Price is about to fall, and it's time to get this bag, nigga. You got the trend line, and then you got the moving averages crossover, you feel me? Like, it's just all confluences. This is why I don't be scared when I get in trades, bro, and I'm like risking a lot of money, because you gotta have the confluences behind the shit before you get in. If you just blindly get in, you don't know what the fuck is going on. Of course you gonna be scared of risking shit, even $100, $500, even risking $1,000, nigga. You gonna be shitting in your pants. Like, you gonna get in the trade, you gonna be in the bathroom holding your guts, but yeah, this shit is clear as day, and it look like it's retracing again. It might fall again. So I'm dropping this video the same day I'm making it, so this might be a free signal. And for all y'all saying I should make a Telegram or a Discord, bro, I don't want to do that. In all honesty, I'm lazy. I don't feel like giving y'all signals to get in. Bro, that's the whole part of y'all learning this shit and y'all getting in these hoes yourself. I'm not doing that. So I'm already making money from the markets. I'm not finna. Anyways, so that's what the 4 hour is. Let's look on a daily. Bro, if you look to the left of the daily, what day was this? This is Thursday of last week. This bearish engulfing candle right here tell you, okay, we waiting for a little bit retracement. Once it retraces, we're going to get in on sales, bro. That's clearly a bullish engulfing on the week. I mean, bearish engulfing on a daily. So that shit right there is clear as day to get in on sales. Let's look at the weekly. Oh my goodness, bro. Market structure. We cannot make this up. Look, I'm about to literally give y'all a live example. If y'all know market structure, what is this right here? What is this? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Bro, I know y'all learned that shit in preschool, bro. This is a head and shoulders pattern, bro. Look, buddy, on top of the head and shoulders pattern, look what you got right here. This is a tweezer top. What are tweezer tops? that means it's finna sell. Where is the Head and Shoulders? It's finna sell. Like, bro, it's obvious, bro. This is why I be telling y'all, study y'all stuff. I promise you, it's live stuff in the markets, bro. It's like, it's the same thing. How many confluences do we have? Trend line, 1. Pullback, 2. Moving averages, 3. Then you go to the and then you go to the daily. Look to the left. Bullish engulfing last Thursday, 4. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, it's clear as day. That's 4 confluences. Let's go to the weekly. Head and Shoulders, 5. You could count that as 2 because it's a Head and Shoulders on the weekly. And then it's a tweeter top. You can count that as 2 because it's on the weekly. That's 8 confluences. Get in on sales, bro. It's like, it's that easy. It's that freaking easy. It's that easy. Like, it's that easy. So that's the setup. That's why I got in there. Let me show y'all what I'm in now because I got in on another trade. As y'all can see from the screenshot, I got in on another trade. So I'm in USD CHF. Y'all know what time it is. I told y'all. So like, what made me get in this trade, see these highs right here? I mean, it didn't clearly take it out yet, but it broke structure a little bit. You feel me? Like, this is a little bit higher than these recent highs right here. That's the reason why I got in on buy. So this is why I got in this trade. And then I think this is the 4 hour. Let's look at the daily. Look at, bro, look to your left. Look, bullish, nigga. It's bullish. It's bullish, buddy. It's bullish. It's bullish. Let's look at the weekly. Bro, this is textbook, bro. This is textbook, bro. This is textbook. Tweezer bottom. Yo, I'm in for buys. And then I think I'm doing a 9. So I think I'm risking like 9K for like 22 something. I don't know. But I'm just showing y'all, I got in this shit. This is why I got in. So, bro, for all y'all niggas that's scared, that's why y'all got demo accounts. Bro, start back testing this shit. Don't use indicators, bro. Go learn the textbook stuff, because I promise you, y'all gonna see the same stuff that we all study, because I study too. Y'all gonna see the same shit in the market, bro. So just translate that stuff from the textbook, from y'all back testing into y'all live shit, bro. It's that simple. It's that simple. But that's a quick little breakdown how I did that, why I got in, and the trade that I'm in now. So comment down below if y'all been killing Euro USD too, because bro, Euro USD is a beautiful pair. It got beautiful setups, and it's just free bag if you know what the fuck you doing. This tea is tough. Hey, if y'all don't follow me on social medias, bro, I be hooping. So all my trader hoopers, bro, if y'all niggas want to get dropped off or y'all want to run with the kid, bro, just follow me on Instagram. I be on TikTok too, but I just post my clips. I don't fuck with TikTok. I be on Instagram, like that's kind of my bread and butter right there. But I got the same handle on all platforms. So if y'all want to see me on other platforms besides YouTube, I got the same handle. If y'all want to DM me, ask me some questions, you feel me? Or y'all can comment down in the comment section. I read all my comments and respond to them. So there ain't no Hollywood shit over here. But hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? So my video can get recommended to other traders that's trying to learn just like y'all. Hit that subscribe button. I ain't gonna lie, I really want to hit 10K. I don't know when, but if y'all can make that happen for me, you know what I'm saying? I'd be happy as shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if y'all got anything, bro. Even if it's negative comments, bro, I get on y'all ass in the comment section too, because I be seeing y'all niggas. Y'all be trying to, y'all in my last videos was trying to get in the comment section like I don't know what I'm like what I'm like. You come on, bro. Nigga, I've been doing this shit for 4 years. If you want to talk, nigga, we can talk about it for real. Cause I'm waiting for one of y'all lying niggas that be going around, oh yeah, I do the, bro, I don't even like calling it the F word. I call it day trade. I don't call it the F word. But for y'all niggas that walk around in men in black suits trying to be like, oh yeah, I know how to trade and I can teach you in my Telegram. Y'all niggas be scamming niggas, bro. I'm waiting for y'all niggas to run into me, because I'm gonna ask you what your chart look like, what pairs you trade. I'm gonna ask you that real stuff that's gonna make you fold and tremble and shit and make you look stupid. Yeah, so I'm waiting for y'all. But without further ado, this video is already 10 minutes. I know my hair look rough. It's crazy y'all don't catch me on the days I be having my haircuts, bro. But Yeah, without further ado, subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see y'all boys in the next video. You know what I'm saying? Simple little breakdown, nigga. Simple, nigga.